CYPELEC Grounding IEEE is a program for calculating the grounding resistance following the method proposed in the IEEE 80-2000 standard. This method is suitable for outdoor alternating current substations, including generation, transport, and distribution centres, and can also be applied to the design of indoor alternating current substations. To get started, we can link the file to a project hosted on the BIMserver.center platform and become part of the collaborative workflow provided by OpenBIM technology. The program interface allows us to enter the values required for calculating the grounding resistance in the panel on the left-hand side. At the top, we can choose between three design methods, depending on the conditions of the ground and the installation method of the buried conductors. Spherac's simplified method is applicable when a basic installation is to be carried out, without rods and with homogeneous soil. The complete with homogeneous soil method is defined by the Schwarz equations and considers an installation including rods. The complete with two soil layers method indicates when the rods go through more than one soil layer, with changes in its resistivity. Further on, we specify the rest of the general conditions of the installation and enter the data of the different soil layers of the ground and, if available, of the surface insulation layer. Then, we add the properties of the combination of grounding electrodes, including the data of the mesh and, if necessary, of the rods. Next, the program offers a generic display of the electrodes, both in plan and section views, to help with their definition. At the bottom, the program displays the value of the total resistance of the ensemble. In the viewer on the right-hand side, we can consult the justification of the calculation of the values obtained for the grounding resistance, where the expressions that determine the resistance of each electrode and of the ensemble depending on the calculation method selected are specified. We can print this report directly or export it in different formats. Authorized project participants can share and view the information generated with the program via the BIMserver.center platform, allowing them to access all the information from any device at any time. Furthermore, the calculation programs for low-voltage electrical systems, such as CYPELEC Core, can include the calculated numerical value of the grounding resistance and incorporate the data and the general conditions of the project.